If you clicked on this video after seeing the thumbnail, watch carefully before deciding to buy Wondershare Recoverit. We understand how crucial your data is, especially when it's accidentally formatted from the hard drive. In the rush to recover it, we often purchase software without knowing whether it's truly effective or worth the cost. I recently purchased Wondershare Recoverit to recover data from hard drive that was accidentally formatted during a boot process. Having trusted the software from past experience, I had previously used their editing tool. I decided to give it a try. Unfortunately, it turned out to be a complete disappointment. Misleading free download. Initially, the software can be downloaded for free and it will show you a list of files that can supposedly be recovered. The dashboard gives the impression that all your files are accessible. Pay to recover trap. After scanning the software, prompt you to purchase license to actually recover the files it claimed to have found. Corrupted recovery. Even after paying, the recovered files were completely corrupted. None of the images or documents that were shown the recoverable in the dashboard could be opened. Unhelpful support. When I contact their support team, they blame the issue on the corrupted hard disk. Despite my hard drive being perfectly healthy and detected by my computer, they simply washed their hands of the problem. Renewable scam. If you want to attempt the recovery again, you have to purchase the software license again, even though supposed to be valid for a year. This means you are paying twice for something that didn't work for the first time. Not worth it. Save yourself the trouble. Either you give your drive to a professional data recovery service or use trusted, well-reviewed software based on expert recommendation. Wondershare Recoverit is a scam. Don't waste your money. And let me know in the comments if you have used this software, and I want to understand what are your thoughts about this software.